National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Eau Claire County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Fall Creek, or 12 miles south of Eau Claire, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fall Creek around 6:50 p.m. Augusta around 6:55 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for northern counties will expire at 6:45 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, small hail and gusty winds are still possible with this thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm